Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The Best Tell All Your Friends is probably one of the most iconic albums of the early 2000s, and the vinyl release is a must-have for any music enthusiast. This record captures the raw energy and emotion of the band, with every track sounding as fresh and exciting as the day it was released. From the opening chords to the final fade-out, this vinyl experience is a journey through a pivotal moment in indie rock history. Number 5. Apple AirTag. Find your things easily. Are you always misplacing your keys or wallet? Well, this is the perfect solution for you. This small device helps you keep track of your items. Setting up is incredibly simple. With just one tap, it instantly connects with your iPhone or iPad, ready to go. If you've misplaced something, don't worry. You can play a sound on its built-in speaker to locate it. Or, simply ask Siri for help. For select iPhone models, it uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you precisely to its location. It's like having a personal guide. Even if it's further away, it can still be found with the help of the Find My network. Hundreds of millions of Apple devices can help you locate it. If you lose an item, put it into lost mode. You'll be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. All communication within the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted. Your location data and history are never stored on it, ensuring your privacy. What we like? This AirTag leverages the Find My network, helping you locate items even when they're far away. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology guides you directly to it. If you are always misplacing your keys or wallet, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? The record sounds fantastic. The pressing is flat and centered. The packaging is well done and the record came in a nice sleeve. Number 4. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. This kit lets you easily add smart lighting to your home. It works with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home, giving you complete control. Included is a Pico remote that allows you to control your lights from anywhere in your home. It has a long battery life and works even through walls, offering convenient control. This smart dimmer switch can make any light smart, even your existing ones. You can save money and keep your current light bulb styles while enjoying smart features. Manage your lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. You can set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing and timers for advanced control. The Caseta Deluxe Dimmer Switch has a sleek, modern design. It allows you to turn your lights fully on and off, with additional buttons to raise or lower the light level. The smart hub works without Wi-Fi, ensuring your lights respond quickly and reliably. This setup won't slow down your other Wi-Fi devices. The kit includes a smart hub, 2 dimmer switches, 2 Pico remotes, and 2 wall plates. It has everything you need to get started with smart lighting. What we like? This smart dimmer switch kit seamlessly integrates with various smart home ecosystems. It comes with a remote for convenient control from anywhere in your home. If you are looking to upgrade your home lighting with smart features and easy control, consider this. What people say? It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. Number 3. Limited Edition Red Smoke Vinyl. Get ready to experience music like never before. This limited edition vinyl offers a unique listening experience with its distinctive red smoke design. The red smoke effect on the vinyl is visually stunning. It's a collector's item that looks as good as it sounds. Enjoy the warmth and richness of analog sound. This vinyl provides superior audio quality, bringing your favorite tracks to life. This limited edition is a must-have for any vinyl collector. It's a unique piece that will enhance any collection. Don't miss out on this exclusive release. Grab this limited edition red smoke vinyl before it's gone. What we like? This is a limited edition vinyl with a unique red smoke design. It's a must-have for collectors and fans. If you like collecting unique vinyl records, this is a great choice. What people say? Sounds sensational. One of the greatest emo punk albums ever made. Love the dual vocals and the sing-along anthems that make the album so memorable. The added warmth of listening to it on vinyl makes it even better. Finally added it to my physical collection. Arrived well packed and undamaged. Number 2. Tell all your friends. This is a great product. It is something you will want to share with everyone. You will not regret it. This is a great product. It is something you will want to share with everyone. You will not regret it. This is a great product. It is something you will want to share with everyone. You will not regret it. This is a great product. It is something you will want to share with everyone. You will not regret it. This is a great product. It is something you will want to share with everyone. You will not regret it. What we like. This is the classic album on vinyl. It offers an immersive listening experience. If you like the band and want to enjoy their music in a classic format, you should consider this. What people say. The record sounds fantastic. The pressing is flat and centered. The packaging is great. Number 1. Taking Back Sunday. This is Taking Back Sunday. They are an American rock band from Long Island, New York. The band was formed in 1999. The band's lineup has changed several times. The band's early lineup consisted of Adam Lazzara, John Nolan, Sean Cooper, and Mark O'Connell. Their debut album, Tell All Your Friends, was released in 2002. It was a commercial success and helped them gain a large following. They have released several other albums since then. These albums have continued to showcase their signature sound. Taking Back Sunday has become one of the most influential bands in the emo scene. They continue to tour and record music for their fans. What we like. This vinyl brings you the best emo rock experience. It is a great way to enjoy the music. If you like emo rock music, this is a great choice. What people say. All the songs have their own unique charm. All the songs are interesting from a lyrical and musical standpoint. All the songs are very good and very catchy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.